Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore how to conveniently convert your Steam Wallet funds into gift cards. This is a simple guide that anyone can follow. First, let's discuss who can convert their Steam Wallet funds. Generally, you need to have a verified account and be in a region that allows conversions. To begin, you'll want to check your current Steam Wallet balance. Simply log into your account and navigate to your account details. There you'll see your balance displayed. Next, choosing the right retailer is vital. Look for popular options like Amazon, Walmart, or Best Buy that accept Steam funds. Now, let's talk about the conversion methods available. You can use online platforms or even local stores to swap your funds. For online transactions, visit popular gift card platforms. We'll go through the specific steps on how to complete your conversion easily. Alternatively, if you prefer face-to-face interaction, consider local retail stores that offer gift card exchange services. Here are some valuable tips to help you maximize the return on your funds. Watch for seasonal sales and discounts. Lastly, let's address some common troubleshooting issues you might encounter during conversion. Don't worry, we'll guide you through solutions. In conclusion, converting your Steam Wallet funds into gift cards is simple and rewarding. We hope this guide proves helpful in making the most out of your funds.